Hello and welcome to this new episode of my digital city project. Um, I'm happy to see that this project will gain more and more fans. So in this episode, we will continue expanding the city here on this right area with our new bookstore, and I will add more streets for the future. And on the street, we will create a road construction site right here, and I also will change this subway entrance or exit because a lot of people of you told me not the perfect position here in the middle of the street. So I will maybe add an emergency exit here, and in the future a normal entrance maybe on this field. I don't know, I'm not sure about, but not on this. Yeah, big road. Yeah, let's go. So I added all of our today's modules we want to add to the city. At first, the new bookstore right here, connecting this to our city layout over these Technic connectors. All time a bit difficult, but we will get this. Come on. And snap to this connector, please. Okay, we will do it the old way. So positioning to this side, changing the grid side, and then hope it fits it up. Ooh, yeah, a little bit in the street direction like this. I think that's it. Yeah, looks fine. So we need more connectors for our new street parts. Also adding connectors here for future city elements. More housings here in this area. I will create a fire station. You can tell me in the comments if you want to be if you want a older styled one or a modern fire station. Here in this area we will create a new crossing like this one, so the fire station will be here in this corner area. But first concentrate to the today's tasks, adding the streets and building the construction site. And then 2 more parts. Release. We can change them one by one and don't have the exact module 2 times, because if I change one, the other one will follow. So what happened? Okay. This one right here. Connecting, and add also new Technic connectors. And the last one. Yep. So you see streets going up and the city is growing. And because of this big street, yeah, a lot of parts are empty on the street. And you told me to beauty this up, and because of this, I will add the construction site here in this area. For this I will I found some modules on different sites in the internet, and I will add them now, and then we can continue building our construction site. So here we are back in the city. I imported our construction site material, the minifigures, some road signs, and so on. I also changed this area here. Now we have this emergency exit door, which can swing to the top if there's a fire in the subway or something else for maintenance. I added also some new plans to integrate this in our current setup. I think it's okay, and in the future we will add a new entrance here in this area. But for now we will continue on the roadside, and I will add at first this small light arrow I found on Pinterest, and then maybe add some hole in the street where the construction worker will maybe add some plumbing and so on. So I will do this in time lapse and have fun watching this. So we're finished also our green midstripe. Here I added some bushes and some flowers in the mid and another tree on the right, and yeah, looks great. Here I will add the future crossing. I told you before I will copy this from the left one here. It's similar, and yeah, there I will put some pavement in the future, but for now I think we can expand a lot. And I told you the fire station right here. Tell me in the comments what you like the most. I have some ideas about this design, but not sure. So tell me what I should put in there. And yeah, for today, I think we added a nice construction site, expanding our city. It's getting bigger and bigger. And if you like the video, tell me, write a comment below and hit the like button. So it will help me a lot. For now, we finished, and thanks for watching. Watch the channel. I will add another video in the next week, I hope. So have a nice day and goodbye.